Hechanova, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will do another BLACKPINK merch unboxing. So one of my friends went to Korea last January, so nagpabili ako ng merch. And guess what, guys? I bought 3. Yes, 3 BLACKPINK merch because why not? Diba? So here it is with me right now, and he bought it at Lotte Department Store at Korea. So I decided to buy this merch sa Korea na mismo because mas mura siya unlike dito sa Philippines. So let's unbox yung first merch na pinabili ko. Obviously, it's the BLACKPINK official light stick. So ito yung front cover niya. Ito yung side. Merong BLACKPINK logo and YG logo. And at the back part, meron siyang user's guide and some other things na hindi ko mabasa. It's in Korean and Chinese, pero meron din English dito. And another one sa side. Dito black, dito pink. So let's open it again. Ito siya. So, ito yung unang makikita mo inside. Meron like plastic something for the light stick. Yung official light stick and may kasama siyang strap. So, nabuksan ko na siya before but hindi ko pa nilagay yung strap because gusto ko nasa unboxing video din. So, ayun, nalagay ko na yung strap sa light stick and let's turn the light stick on. So, when you press it once, magto-turn on siya. And the second time you press it, it changes to its music response mode. So, magsasabay siya to any BLACKPINK song. So, let's try it. Let's kill this love! And when you press it again, off na siya. So at this part, meron siyang squeaky switch. And kapag vertical siya, this will sound. Yan. And if horizontal, walang sound. So let's move on to our second merch. So the second one is a Tangle Angel brush na nakita ko sa story ni Rosé sa Instagram. And guys, I swear, I fell in love with it. Wow! Sabi. So, let's open it. So, it's 23,000 won yung nakalagay dito. So, kapag i-convert mo into pesos, ano siya, 960 something. Is a BLACKPINK hand fan. So, ito yung front cover, yung side, yeah, BLACKPINK and YG logo. Same with this. And at the back, same, the user's guide. Let's open it. It's actually 23,000 won din. Same yung Tangle brush. Okay, so, it comes with a strap. And merong BLACKPINK logo right here. Kill This Love logo. And the name Kill This Love. Yung button. So yung cable niya, same sa iPhone charger. And actually, wala dito ngayon, nasa ilalim. Kasi nga nabuksan ko na to, nagamit ko na. And it's actually low-bat, guys! Sorry. But yung sa button, meron 3 options. It has 3 options na 1, 2, 3. So the instructions are at the back. So adjust the wind speed with the power button. 1 time gentle wind. 2 times weak wind. 3 times strong wind. and 4 times power off. Ayun pala. So it can be charged with a cable or charger using micro 5-pin connector or yung iPhone connector niya lang. It works fine. Works just fine. Usual hand fan lang talaga, but syempre BLACKPINK to guys. And it costs 960 pesos. So it's not like your other hand fan lang na mabibili mo sa Divisoria, no. So that's it with my BLACKPINK merch unboxing. And actually, walang price yung sa light stick, unlike dito na 23,000 won. I actually don't know magkano to, but overall, I paid 3,150 for this tray, guys. I know it's a lot, pero BLACKPINK to eh. And actually, 4 na yung BLACKPINK merch ko as of now. So if you're a subscriber already, you know that bumili ako ng album. But if bago ka nandito and you haven't watched it, please watch it. The link will be above. And ito siya yung Kill This Love album. It's my first ever merch na binili. And actually my first ever K-pop album na nabili. So overall, I have 4... Wait. Ayaw talaga. Yan. So this 4 are my... Ah! So this 4 are my BLACKPINK merch as of now. And I'm still willing to add more. Very willing to add more. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!